small, right?
Oh yeah, he's a baby. Lift that guy right up.
How do you,
Just grab the line.
Everyone, I am sure some of you anglers can relate to this. Probably done it more than once before. I'm talking about impulse fly. Here, in my case, I saw an Garcia Oceanfield baitcaster on eBay, and somehow my finger kind of clicked on the bite button magically. Honestly, I had no control over it. It just happened. So here we are. I am going to unbox it and just to see what's inside. In this particular video, I'm not going to talk about the technical aspect of it. Just want to show you what's inside and kind of figure out why I bought this. Plus, I don't know anything about baitcasting reels, so if you ask me to talk about it, I have absolutely no idea what to tell you. Alright, Abu Garcia with the logo and picture and everything for life. It is from Japan, so I would hope it is authentic. Okay, on the outside of the box we got all the technical information as well as the gear ratio all printed on it. So for a quick reference, not a bad idea to look at those instead. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Alright, the first page is manual, I assume, and it's all written in Japanese, which is appropriate because this is a JDM reel directly from Japan. Alright, gonna need Google Translate, and I hope I can understand it. Here we have the schematic. Notice it says Ambassador Oceanfield BG-L. BG mean big games, I assume. Lots of part on the schematic. So because this is a JDM reel, I don't even know where I would be able to get parts for this particular reel. Alright, first impression, it looks pretty big compared to the other Abu Garcia reel as well as the Quantum reel. So size matters. Alright, we got the power handle attached with the EVA foam. Feels comfortable so far. No complaint here on my part. Not sure of the material though, but I think it's aluminum. It's super light. You know, they use all kind of marketed terms to describe this product, the brake system, the drag, the frame, and so forth. But to me, they feel like a Abu Garcia reel. So it's meant for inshore fishing or saltwater fishing, so I hope that's a little bit more durable than usual. So we'll just have to find out. Okay, we got the clicking sound from the drag as well as the tension knob. Everything seems to be in working order. That's good. And the brake clicker is really loud. I'm trying to take out the spool just to check. I have no idea how to open it. There's no like knobs or anything to click or push. Confused. Alright, also inside the box we have the hex tool to remove the handle. We also have a cloth bag for the reel. A gold color crank handle for those that like this type of handle. And that's it. That's all the stuff inside the box, and yeah, it looks alright to me. Alright, just to give you a quick comparison between sizes, I have the Abu Garcia inshore versus the Oceanfield. It is bigger, but not by much. You know, it's still comfortable in the hand and you can still palm it. I think the closest size as far as baitcaster, low profile wise, it would be the Alexa 300. So you know, it certainly has its place in the arsenal. All right, we finally figure out how to remove the spool from the casing. So, and this is the, I guess, the brake system. I don't know what they call. Maybe it's called the mat tracks, whatever it is. It's a marketed term, but that's what it looks like. So, I just hope it does its job well, whatever it is. And here we have the spool. The main reason that I got this reel is because the label say the spool is able to hold about 300 meters of line, which is about 900 to close to 1,000 feet of line at 30 pounds. So my only reason and sole reason why I got this reel is because of the spool size. Alright, here on the outside of the box, and the braided line capacity ranges from 100 meter to all the way to 600 meter, depending on the PE or the diameter of the braided line. So what I'm using a 20 pound, which I believe is a PE of 2. So that should be equate to a little bit about 300 meter or so. Because the PE is about 260 meter. So let's see if it actually filled that up. It looks pretty good to me. It looks like there's still some room left to top it off, but it looks pretty good, I would say. I'm for field tests, so I'm off to Block Island in search of cod, sea bass, and perhaps some lings. You know, just to test out how it handles the fish in about 100 to 150 feet of water. So originally I was using jig, but because there's so many people on the boat and the line get all tangled up, I had to resort to a deep drop rig, which consists of a line and about 12 ounces of sinker just to hold in place. But with the drag and the reel, it handled flawlessly at this outing. I was able to you know, pick up a couple of fish just to test it out. So I'm happy with this purchase. It's an impulsive buy, but it's a good impulsive buy. Would I do it again? Probably not, but I already did it, so I'm not regretting it. Okay, I'm gonna stop narrating here. So if you like the video and found it helpful, please subscribe. If you have a question, please leave the comment section. I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks.
That'll book off.
doubled. There's a cod here. It's a cod.
Codfish.
Codfish.
Here. Right here. I gotta get the gap.
It's small, right?
Oh yeah, he's a baby. What's that guy right now?
How do you,
Just grab the line.
swallow that?
You did. What, Randy? How you making out, Dad?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Too small, buddy.
Yep.
And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.